Hey y'all, welcome to Mixed Messages. I'm Clare Ward and we are here to cheers to the Golden State. We're celebrating all things California, like the cool ingredients found here, the rich culture, and of course the breweries, wineries, and distilleries that make the booze. Through the last few episodes, we featured a lot of fun California ingredients, some interesting California products, paid homage to California culture, who could forget the tequila sunrise, and we taught you the top 5 bartending mistakes that people make at home. We mentioned last episode that we were going to issue you a challenge, and today I am here to tell you all about it. We are starting the California Cocktail Challenge. We want you to make a cocktail at home using at least one California ingredient, whether it be a fun California product you found at your local liquor store, an interesting ingredient you found at your local farmer's market, or if it's inspired by your favorite movie or song or TV show inspired by California. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe that I want you to treat more like a formula, where you can plug and play your ingredients into the same formula we're using for my cocktail. I'm going to use all California ingredients in my cocktail today. We're challenging you to use just one, but by all means, the more the better. Let's get started. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces of a spirit. I'm going to use Wilder Gin, which is from Ventura Spirits, located in Ventura, California. Made with wild harvested California herbs like purple sage, but you can use any California spirit you can find. There's really fun whiskeys, vodkas out there, some really great brandies. Obviously we have great grapes in California. Next we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of a liqueur. I'm gonna use the ginger liqueur from Green Bar, which is located in downtown Los Angeles. It's an all organic distillery and it's really cool. But you can use anything you can find, like a raspberry liqueur, an elderflower liqueur, whatever speaks to you. Then we're gonna use 1 ounce of freshly squeezed citrus. I recommend something of a lemon and lime varietal. If you go orange or grapefruit, keep in mind those are lower in acidity like we learned in our first episode, so you might wanna add a little bit of vinegar or a squeeze of lemon or lime. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of a 1-to-1 sweetener. We've used a lot through the episodes, like the passion fruit honey, agave, or simple syrup. Today, we're just gonna use a simple 1-to-1 California honey to water syrup. Next, we're gonna add lots of ice, fill our shaker tin, and we're gonna give a good shake. And remember our 3 rules of shaking. We shake hard, we shake for 3 to 5 seconds, and we shake with rhythm. And we're gonna pour our cocktail over fresh ice, of course, and we're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel. Now, before you take that first sip, be sure to snap a picture and tag our Golden State and hashtag California Cocktail Challenge and let us know what California ingredient you featured in your cocktail. If you have any questions about the recipe featured or any ingredients featured in Mixed Messages, be sure to drop a comment below. And until then, cheers, y'all. Tastes like California.